Hello guys, this is Pfizer and welcome to another vlog. In today's vlog, I'm going to show you reliable websites where you can get your literatures. So it is very important that as we write academic or scholarly paper, it is a must that it is backed up with good literatures. Now there is a research principle that says credibility of a scientific article begins with the quality of its references. So when we say quality of its references, there are two types of sources. Number one is the scientific sources. These are those which are hosted by libraries and reputable indexing companies. Where, on the other hand, the gray literature are those sources which are not significantly authoritative, like blogs, links, Wikipedia, and other non-scientific websites such as Yahoo and Google. So as researchers, we want that sources from references come from various continents in order for us to capture the Asian perspective in our study. The list of websites that I'm going to share to you actually came from the list of the best websites for student researchers as well as for teachers and educators. So let me tour you around these 15 websites. So number one is the Google Scholar. So the Google Scholar is the clear number one when it comes to academic search engines. It's the power of Google searches applied to research papers and patents. It's not only lets you find research papers for all academic disciplines for free, but also often provides links to full-text PDF files. So approximately, Google Scholar covers 200 million articles. So this is the Google Scholar site. So you simply go to this site, scholar.google.com, and it will provide you this uh, page. So you have here a box where you can type your search for literature. So you may key in here keywords or the title of your study. So for this purpose, I'm going to type, for example, impact of COVID-19 on education. So say, for example, I am conducting a study on the impact of COVID-19 on education. So I simply type it in the box and then I click search. Then it will provide you with the list of articles or list of studies conducted in relation to your search. So you can see here information such as the title of the study and its format, if it is HTML, likewise the authors, etc., etc. So this is one good source of literatures if you are conducting a research. The next is for local literature. So say for example, you want to have literatures coming from the Philippines. So we have here the Philippine EJournals. You just go to ejournals.ph. So this is the page of the Philippine EJournals. You have here indexes from A to Z of the different journals. You can register here so that you can have full access of um, its resources. So when we click journals here, it provides us the different journals coming from the different schools across the Philippines. So across discipline, regardless of your course, be it in a business, electronic and telecommunications, agriculture, biology and environmental sciences, arts and humanities, clinical medicine, engineering, computing and technology, life sciences, physical, chemical and earth sciences, social and behavioral sciences, the science and social sciences as well. Okay, so all you have to do to search for a literature, you simply type your research or your keywords here at the box, at the horizontal box, and then click search. So say for example, again, I'm going to use impact of COVID-19 on education. So click search. So it should display to you how many journals or articles related to your search impact of COVID-19 on education. So clicking the article will give you the different researches related to the search. So let me just click one, the role of information technology during the COVID-19 pandemic. So when you click that, there, so it should give you a abstract of the study. Sometimes you get the full text if you are lucky enough. So you just do some, so you must be patient in searching for literatures. The next is the Microsoft Academic. So this is Microsoft's answer to Google Scholar. So Microsoft Academic takes a different approach and generates for each paper that is indexed on overview page that allows you to easily explore type citing articles as well as references of the article. So to date, it has approximately 210 million articles. So if you notice in this page, you have here informations about publications, about authors, about topics, conferences, journals, and institutions. So just like what we did in other search engine, you simply type your topic here and then click the search icon to search for literatures. You can also sign up for a membership of the Microsoft Academic so that you can have full access of their services. So you'll find here a lot of things that may be related to your research. The fourth website is called the Bielefeld Academic Search Engine, or we call it BASE. So BASE is hosted at the Bielefeld University in Germany, and that's where its name stems from. Okay, approximately it covers 136 million articles. So if you notice, almost all of the search engine have the same or have a common page, home page, which is you always find the search bar and then you have the search icon. So say for example, you are searching for a study on machines. So this is just for the sake of example. Of course, if you want to get the most out of your search, you have to type exactly the title of your research. So there, so it gives you informations or researches or books which has something to do with the search. Okay, so that is base. Next on the line is ResearchGate. Trusted by over 16 million researchers, this top engine currently provides results from over 135 million publications. So the site was founded in by two physicians and a computer scientist in 2008. Described by the New York Times as a mashup of Facebook, Twitter, ResearchGate encourages users to connect with those who express interest in similar fields. So you can join here for free or and then log in to your account to browse their site. Okay, so we have here topics such as engineering, mathematics, biology, computer science, climate change, medicine, physics, social science, astrophysics, and chemistry. Okay, so actually this is also one of the best search engine when it comes to literatures, research literatures. Next in line is core, or the connecting repositories. This is the world's largest collection of open access research papers. So the core aims to aggregate open access content currently distributed across a variety of journals and repositories. So this is the web page or the home page of core connecting repositories. So say for example, we are going to search for engineering researches. You simply type engineering researches and then click search. Then it will direct you to links, useful links or researches which are related to engineering. So you have here biochemical researches on tissue engineering, bones constructed by deproteinated bone, problems of use of geometrical methods, etc. etc. So all you have to do is to click get PDF to get the abstract or the full text of the paper. Okay. Next to core is Semantic Scholar. Semantic Scholar, drawing on the power of artificial intelligence concepts such as natural language processing and machine learning, Semantic Scholar strives to up the ante for academic research sites. So this AI-driven resource pulls information from over 184 million scientific papers. Okay, so again, this is the homepage of Semantic Scholar. You can create a pre-account and then you sign in your account afterwards. So let's check for engineering researches. Or you may simply type your title there so that it will give you related literature pertaining to your title. So we have here survey of context modeling approaches, theories, and use for engineering design and researches, and a lot of resources. All right. So you have here option for a save, cite, and view on other sources. Okay. So this is Semantic Scholar. Next in line is the scirp.org or the Scientific Research and Academic Publisher. So in here, you could find articles, journals, books, news of the different topics related to research across discipline. Okay, so again, you simply type your keywords here or your title and then uh, click the search button. So say for example, mobile learning. Mobile learning. And then we click search. So this will direct us to the different uh, articles or paper or researches related to mobile learning. Okay. So there is also an information here about its downloads, the number of the downloads and the number of views, as well as the citations, and of course the year of publication. So this is a lot of related literature for you to search on. Next, we have Science Direct. So the Science Direct presents itself as a leading and reliable full-text scientific database that offers access to journal publications, book chapters, and research papers. It's one of the most popular science search engines for students with more than 20,000 books and over 2,500 journals across various scientific topics and domains. So this is the Science Direct homepage. Again, you can register and then you can sign in for your account. So you have here different topic from chemical engineering, chemistry, computer science, engineering, material science, up to physics and astronomy. So you may search using keywords or the name of the author, the journal, the volume, issue, and the page number. Okay. So let's say your keyword is machine. You simply type machine there and then click advanced search. So it will give you the journals and the studies conducted when it comes to machine. So um, you have to be specific here in typing the articles or the literatures that you want to uh, get or you want to find out. Okay, so this is Science Direct. Next online is the ERIC, the Institute of Education Sciences. So ERIC stands for Educational Resources Information Center. Okay, you have here a collection of education resources. ERIC is a reliable and informative online digital library that is populated and maintained by the U.S. Department of Education. The platform provides academic and educational sources for educators, students, and researchers with over 1.3 million publications. So students can find materials such as books, research papers, journals, technical reports, policy papers, dissertations, conference papers, and so on. So just like any other sources again, you simply type here your keyword or the title of your study. So let's say, for example, we are conducting a study on mobile learning adoption. So you simply type it there and then click search. This will then give you, oops, yeah, there. So it will now give you researches related to the mobile learning adoption. Okay, right. So you just simply click on the link, the title, and then it will direct you to the text. Or you may download here. I'll say here it says here you can download full text. Okay, so you are lucky enough if you were able to download the paper in full text. Okay. Next we have the Virtual Learning Resources Center or the Virtual LRC. So this is the homepage of virtuallrc.com. So let us say we are looking for engineering researches. We simply click search and then it will give you informations about the search or related literature regarding your search. Okay, so that is a virtual LRC. Next online is the Web of Science, the International Journal of Science and Research, or the IJSR. So the Web of Science by Thomson Reuters provide a consolidated electronic resource for you to search for published information. So you can have here access of the current issue, its archive submission if you will be submitting paper for conference, and then instructions for conferences, policies, etc., etc. So again, you can type your search here. Say for example, we are looking for simple machines. This is actually an engineering uh, study. All right. So it will lead you to that link. Let us check. Let us open. Okay, okay. So this is actually a link of the different products that you're going to use uh, in conducting your engineering research or your computer science or IT research. Okay, so sometimes we're looking for products that is related to products of same materials that we're going to use in creating our model for our study. So this will be a good site. Next is RefSeek. So RefSeek, this ad-free search engine delivers academic results from more than 1 billion index documents, web pages, books, journals, newspapers, and more. Okay, so let's try to search for engineering materials or something that is related to engineering. So you have here engineering studies and then search. So you have here a link for engineering studies, right? So it will direct you to other links. Hopefully you can find literature as well or even books as your reference. Okay, so this is a RepSeek. Okay. Next in line is the Circuit Scout. So this site allows you to prowl through more than 32,000 circuit diagrams and schematics. So this is actually for um, engineering. Say for example, we want to find out electronic circuit design for mobile. So we simply type it there and we click search. So this site will provide us circuit diagrams and schematics. So usually we use this materials in engineering researches. So you find there's precision digital altimeter using Motorola, electronic projects online, the design of the Brookdale ATB repeater system exciter. So uh, Circuit Scout is for searching for circuit diagrams and schematics. So in case your study involves circuit diagrams and schematics, this is the best site for you to look into the different circuit diagrams and schematics. Next is data sheets. So this is the place if you want to find the latest content on electronic components. So sometimes if you will especially for engineering students, if you will be conducting research, you will be coming up with a model, so to give you an idea of the different electronic components that you will be using in completing your model, you can search here those components. So say for example, I'm looking for controller, so controller box. So I just type controller. It will provide you informations about the controller box. All right. So usually these are the materials or tools that you will be that you might be use in uh, the completion of your the model that you will be creating. So we have here PCB tools, you have inductance calculator, scientific tools, RF tools, converters, etc. etc. So the datasheet actually is a good site if you want to search on the different electronic components which you will be used in um, completing the models that you will be creating as part of your research study. Okay, so there you have it, my dear students. These are the best websites to look into if you are searching for literatures. Okay, so hope that you'll find one that is suitable and related to your search. Okay, so happy searching, my dear students. Bye.